Spend enough time under the hood of your car, and at some point you'll have to deal with stripped or damaged bolt heads or nuts. The 13-piece impact nut and bolt extractor set from Orion Motortech is the perfect tool to solve this, all too common, mechanic's nightmare. Each socket is made from high-density chromoly steel for superior strength and durability. Available in a variety of metric as well as SAE sizes, this kit is sure to help you overcome even the most damaged bolts and nuts you're likely to come across. Each socket is equipped to accommodate both manual and power 3/8-inch drive tools. The 6-point design provides maximum grip and torque, easily removing the most stubborn bolts, lugs, studs, hex screws, and more. The black oxide finish provides superior corrosion resistance for greater longevity. Let's not forget about the custom case, made from highly durable plastic and molded to ensure each part will stay in its proper place. Let's take a look and see this tool in action. First, identify the correct size. You're not looking for an exact fit here. It should be tight and in fact will need to be, well, persuaded into place. Take note, in this situation I used an old ratchet extension that had a hefty lip where the extension meets the socket. Completely unnecessary, as these sockets are built to take the abuse. Extensions are not. This one I'm using is junk. I use it for all kinds of abuse procedures like this. Once the socket is firmly in place, simply remove it as you would any other bolt. It's that easy. The 13-piece impact nut and bolt extractor set from Orion Motortech, helping you get more life in your car.